His Excellency Mr. David Penny, New Zealand High Commissioner, Mr. Akhilesh Srivastav, Chairman, Bitumen India Forum, Mr. Alexei Ignatiev, Director, Rosdurni, Mr. R.K. Pandey, Advisor, Ministry of Road Transport, Mr. Legzi Ravindran, Secretary General, Bitumen India Forum, distinguished dignitaries, officials, and dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. India is the fastest growing economy in the world. The target of Honourable Prime Minister to make Indian economy of $5 trillion, and now presently we are number 5th. The mission of our Prime Minister and the country that we should be number 3rd in the world. For developing this economy, the role of industry, agriculture, and allied sectors, service sector, every role is very important. But for development of industry and agriculture, we need good infrastructure. The water, power, transport, and communication. Without that, we cannot get industry, and without industry, we cannot have capital investment, and without industry and capital investment, we cannot increase growth and create employment potential. The dream of our Prime Minister to make Indian economy fastest growing economy, and we want to make it $5 trillion economy. And for that reason, we need to develop good infrastructure in the country. As far as the road network is concerned, we are the second largest road network after America. And now we have these 2-3 years, we have just have 7 world record. In the road construction, presently we are making 37 kilometer road per day, and our target is to make it 50 kilometer per day. The Indian road infrastructure is very important because it is going to increase growth, agriculture growth, industrial growth, and it is going to be important for the development of our country. I always giving the example of Honourable President John F. Kennedy. He has given a good statement that American roads are not good because America is rich, but America is rich because American roads are good. The prosperity is coming from the road. So today in our automobile industry, it is also with my department. When I taken charge as a minister, the size of the automobile industry was 7 lakh crore, and our number was 7th in the world. Presently, our number is 3rd, and we have just surpassed Japan, and now our number is 3rd. First number is USA, second is China, and 3rd is India. We are the fastest growing industry, automobile industry, and that is the reason that we have all options. We have the automobile industry now on the ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-LNG, bio-CNG, electric, and hydrogen. Hydrogen is the fuel for the future. We are also making electric highway. By cable, we want to connect from Delhi to Jaipur by cable, where we want to start trolley buses and truck. And presently, our logistic cost is 14 to 16%. But by using biofuel and alternative fuel, I am confident that, and with making good roads, we will reduce this cost up to 9%. We are making 36 express highways, green express highways. We have successfully in the process of making Delhi to Mumbai highway, where Delhi to Mumbai will be 12 hours. Delhi to Jaipur will be 2 hours. Delhi to Dehradun will be 2 hours. Delhi to Haridwar 1.5 hours. Delhi to Meerut previously 4 hours, now it is 45 minutes. And Delhi to Chandigarh 2.5 hours. Delhi to Amritsar 4 hours. Delhi to Katra 6 hours. And Delhi to Srinagar 8 hours. And already we have completed from Bangalore to Mysore. It was some 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Now it is 1 hour. And we want to now complete the road from Chennai to Bangalore. That will be within 2 hours. So the way in which we are developing the road infrastructure, it is to be very good for the country, by which we are reducing the logistic cost. But one vision is with us, that how we can reduce the cost of construction and how we are going to improve the quality of construction. In this field, particularly, we need to have a good technology. And I always tell you the people that the knowledge is most important thing. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices, we name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future. In the road construction, without compromise with the quality, we are using a lot of experiments. We have just successfully implemented a crash barrier with bamboo. We are using rubber powder, waste rubber tire, getting rubber powder, using in bio-rubberized bitumen. We want to use it. We are using plastic. We are now encouraging for glass fiber steel. We have the enforcement concrete technology by which distance between the two pier for the flyover presently it is 30 kilometers, but we can go up to 120 kilometers. So by reducing the cost without compromising the quality, we want to make the roads. But at the same time, we have to protect ecology and environment. The three important pillars of society is ethics, economy, ecology and environment. Without ecology and environment, we cannot have a sustainable life. Presently, Delhi is facing a lot of problems because of the pollution, air pollution. We have already working in Panipat, the Indian Oil has started the plant making 1 lakh liter ethanol from rice straw, 150 ton of biobitumen and a bio-aviation fuel. We have 188 plants in the process making bio-CNG, bio-LNG from rice straw. And at the same time, we are making ethanol from the bamboo in Assam, in Dumaligarh. The ethanol production is now increasing. We are making ethanol from sugarcane juice, molasses, C molasses, B molasses, and also from corn and broken rice and food grain. So presently our country, we have an import of 16 lakh crores of fossil fuel. Our policy is import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. At the same time, it is the most important responsibility for all of us that how we are going to reducing carbon footprint. Now we need to have the technology that conversion of carbon dioxide into value addition to get something new. And that is exactly the line of action where our government is on working. We are working on hydrogen also, and that is the reason in the road construction, by using waste material, we want to protect ecology and environment. In Delhi peripheral road, ring road, we have already used 25 lakh ton of municipal garbage. In Ahmedabad, Doloro, we have used 25 lakh ton of municipal garbage. So in the Jamshedpur and in the Raigad, the steel slag is available. We have successfully used that steel slag in road construction. So my suggestion is to all of you that how you are going to use waste material in road construction. The knowledge to wealth and waste to wealth. No material is waste, no person is waste. It is depending upon the appropriate technology, it is depending on the appropriate vision of the leadership that you can convert waste into wealth. Regarding road safety, my request to all of you, India, we have got 5 lakhs accidents. 3 lakh people, they have to lose their organs and 1,50,000 deaths. 3% of loss of GDP. And this is the time that we have to protect the life of the people. In the death, 18 to 34 age group, it's coming to 60%. Dear friends, this is the time that we need to work on road safety. The education, enforcement, emergency, and at the same time, the automobile engineering and road engineering, we need to resolve the problem. My one of the strong objection is, because of defective DPR, lot of accidents are there. We need to improve the quality of detailed project report. I am very sorry. Unfortunately, the quality is very poor, and the result is we have to lose the life of lakhs of people. This is the time from the people like you who should change the vision of the people who are making DPR. It should be perfect, and where we have to use correct methodology by which making 100% perfect DPR by using appropriate technology, and that is very important and for the society. I feel that by making good and perfect DPR, we will remove all black spots and save the life of the people. That is to be the most important thing for us. The construction industry uses 40% of global materials and resources. Limited reserves of naturally available raw materials such as stone, clay, sand, and aggregate. We need to develop soil stabilizing technology by which how we can reduce the cost and improve the quality of the road construction. At the same time, cement and steel, we are using 40% of their production in the road construction. But without any reason, many times they increase the rates. They have cartels, and that is not to be a good thing for the country. Now we are moved to encourage the other alternative material for steel and cement. We want to give highest priority for glass fiber steel because in the area near to sea where rusting is a big problem, by which this glass fiber steel, we will reduce the cost and we want to encourage this steel. At the same time, in bitumen, requirement is of 80 lakh ton, out of which 50 lakh ton is the capacity of Indian refinery and 30 lakh ton is import. My idea is by using best tire getting rubberized powder, which can be used into bitumen up to 15%. And some people was telling me you can go up to 40%, then 7% plastic. And if the refinery can make the bitumen, the manufacturer, if they can give the standards which already decided by the road ministry, by adding this, if they can supply, it can be a good thing for the country. We have also now in the starting process of manufacturing bio-bitumen from biomass. So it is import substitute. So my suggestion is by using this first material, we can avoid the import of 30 lakh ton of bitumen. I am really happy that today it is the time for all of us that how we can reduce to our import and at the same time without compromise with the quality. In the fuel for construction equipment, we are using diesel. I will request all equipment manufacturers that whether it is possible to use methanol, which is 25 rupees per liter, ethanol, which is 60 rupees per liter, and even CNG and LNG. Even we can go for hydrogen on electric. Hydrogen electric is the future fuel. So by which we can reduce the cost of construction. The 400 crore liters of diesel consumption per year in our industry. This is the time that diesel is going to create pollution and it is import cost is going to increase. So this is the time that we need to have new alternative and new solution like biofuel and alternative fuel. We also want to work on sound pollution, air pollution, and we want to use construction waste into road construction. The sustainable road infrastructure is very important. And I feel that the people like you in the conference can find out the ways and at the same time giving appropriate vision to the sector by which we can make green roads. Government has recently released Green Credit Rules 2023 for sustainable infrastructure using environment-friendly technology and materials. The sensitivity towards environment is very important. We are already making plantation of 3.7 crore 3-meter trees along the highways. About 78,000 trees transplanted successfully. I always request to my colleagues that don't cut the tree. Try to make the transplantation of tree, and that is very important. We are making animal underpass for wildlife movement, and we are making Amrut Sarovars. Whenever we need aggregate, we are making Amrut Sarovar free of charge. दौड़ने वाले पानी को चलने के लिए लगाओ, चलने वाले पानी को रुकने के लिए लगाओ, रुके हुए पानी को जमीन को पीने के लिए लगाओ, और निश्चित रूप से I feel that by water conservation, we will change the socio-economic scenario in the rural area. Already, we are working on a lot of alternative material also. The steel fiber can be a good material for in the construction. The precast construction is very important. We can use fly ash in that, and by which we can reduce the pollution and improve the quality. White topping techniques are very popular. When the road quality is good, we can make 6-inch or 8-inch concrete road of white topping. It is to be a good solution in the city area. The recycled asphalt pavement is also good. Soil stabilizer, then recycle asphalt pavement. These are the people are doing all these things. And I feel that it is the time for all of us to use all this technology into the road construction. The polymer modified bitumen is also equally important. Glass fiber reinforcement steel, always it is to be very important. Waste material we can use, waste plastic, municipal garbage, fly ash, then phosphor gypsum, then Parali to biobitumen, rubberized bitumen, waste plastic, steel slag, and these are the material which we can use. We are also working in ropeways, cable car, vernacular railway. We have 260 projects, length of 1200 kilometer, costing 1.25 lakh crore. We want to make electric highway, road train buses. The Doppelmayr and a big company are now interested to develop ropeway cable car. Even we want to start rapid transport, mass rapid transport on electricity like Skybus and cable propelled bus system, aerial tramway in urban area. And these are the futuristic technology. I feel that we can take a lot of successful practices from the world. The drone technology is very popular in the road construction. The sensor technology in bridges and tunnels. Planning in GPS-based satellite tolling system, we are in the process of that. We will start it as early as possible. Multi-layer, multimodal transport system, and already emergency landing facility on 26 places on the road we have. The 670 roadside amenities we are making with heliport, which are very important. And I feel that this is going to create more employment potential. The good quality DPR is very important. Again, I will request all of you that how it can be possible, you should work on it. We have to reduce the accidents, remove the black spots, and at the same time, efficient drainage system, roadside is very important. Presently, it is very neglected. We need to go towards perfection, and that is the need of the hour. And I feel that this conference will 100% going to inspire and motivate the people. In the hill area, we have a lot of challenges. Particularly, there is a lot of accidents are there, and there we want to develop something new technology by which we have to protect the life of the people. It's a really good opportunity for me to express my thinking with you, and with your discussion and your thinking and your suggestion, Mr. Pandey is there. We will accept your good suggestions and we will try to implement that. Once again, I am very sorry. Presently, I am not actually physically present there because of some function in my house. I am in Nagpur, but I am very sorry for that. Once again, I am giving my all best wishes to all of you, giving best wishes for Deepavali, and I am confident that this conference will inspire and motivate and giving you a new vision for making of new India of 21st century. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it was indeed a very, very enriching and enlightening address. And ladies and gentlemen, your applause was not enough. Can we have a huge round of applause? As we would like to thank our Honourable Chief Guest for his wonderful address. Ladies and gentlemen, our Honourable Chief Guest, Shri Nitin Gadkari Ji, Honourable Cabinet Minister, Road Transport and Highways. So we are so thankful for your address. Thank you so much for your presence. We are so proud and delighted to have you, and thank you for your address. Thank you.